Welcome to our tutorial about additional mouse functionality. We already know that a left click is, of course, how we make selections and create objects. A right click gives us a contextual menu which is content sensitive. Let's scroll down to deselect all. With the object deselected, a right click will give us different contextual options. If we right-click on the ribbon, we get options specific to modifying the ribbon. Here's the drop-down menu we get when we right-click on the Quick Access toolbar. Let's right-click on the command line. Here we have recent commands, autocomplete, editing options like copy and paste, and so on. Let's right-click on the status bar. We'll deselect Use Icons, and let's restore them. A right-click on the drawing coordinates is how we can disable this option as well. To enable, just left-click. The middle mouse button gives us zoom and pan options. We hold down the middle mouse button to pan. Roll the middle mouse button away from you to zoom in, and roll it toward you to zoom out. Zoom in commands are also part of the navigation bar. Let's activate the pan tool with a left click. Left click and hold. Let's right click and switch to zoom. Left click and hold to zoom in and out, moving the mouse up and down. We also have a number of sub-options under the zoom tool. For example, zoom in. If for some reason you don't see the navigation bar, go to the View tab, Windows panel, User Interface, and ensure that navigation bar is checked. If you right-click on the View cube, you get a different contextual menu. For example, I can modify the View cube settings. Let's cancel out. And this concludes our lesson about additional mouse functionality.